Hey Dan, here's a response to your request for a prayer request form and page. Yes, I think Google would be a fantastic option for that. Here's one we just set up. So this is the Google form. It's embedded in an article, and then a new page was created specifically for this. As far as notifications go, on Salutio University, we've got a spot under Help Topics. Under Forms that says in order to get form notifications, the person who has editing access to that spreadsheet can set themselves up to get notifications. It can't be set up otherwise, at least in Google Forms, since it's free. I can't set up you to get notifications and someone else can't. You can set yourself up to get notifications via this. Okay, so how do we go? After the Google form is created, I want to look at a form inside of Google Drive. I think I kept an untitled one just for this purpose. Sure enough. So here's an untitled form. When I click on send, the embed code is generated via the script tags, and I can copy the code from here. And then if you're familiar with embedding anything else in an article, it's the same thing from there. I'm sure there's something else on Salutio University you can look at for how to do that. Make sure it's, not that one. Under settings, make sure it's not restricted to just people within your particular organization. So that's the form itself. Now you asked for Quicklinks. To edit your Quicklink, first check your editor on your account. Under basic settings, your editor probably needs to be turned to CodeMirror. Save and close. And then in the module manager, I'm going to go to misspelled it. And of course, should be pretty obvious which one is the new one, which is this one, GE Parish. And here it does say turn off your editor or use CodeMirror. When I open it, I'm going to see only the HTML, and there's a purpose for that because there's several sets of div tags, and if I look at the editor, look at this module without having turned my editor, it's going to strip out the extra div tags, and which gives the formatting. So here you would change religious education to prayer request, just the black text there. And the hyperlink is what's after a space href. So this is the hyperlink. If that page is within your site, great. If it's not, then you might add a target blank behind the link so that that's what makes it open up in a new tab. So of course, save your changes. Notice our COVID-19 message on the front page about website traffic. It's a triduum, so there's lots of streaming, etc. going on. So click here to refresh after you make those changes. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. I hope you're safe and stay well. God bless.